yes, I mean, your level 2, level 3, definitely it has helped me to grow in my own way. It has enhanced not only the physical aspect of our existence, because generally yoga is considered as a physical exercise many place. But what I like about Yoga Learning Hub, not only physical aspect, there is something called as mental aspect, the spiritual aspect, and all this is there in our scriptures, in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, in Hatha Yoga Pradipika, and we learn in Yoga Learning Hub. We are learning the scriptures, and then it always convinces us like why are we doing the practice, that why really motivates us. And as per our today's theme, it empowers us to do our practices daily and take it outside. And that is what world needs today. And definitely tomorrow we have Times Square yoga at the Times Square solstice event. And also we have a big society over here, and we are going to have a yoga session here. Yoga for alignment is going to be the theme.
This is a big transformation, because just like imagine she joined as a like this students few months ago, and today she is already worked as a yoga expert where she's helping a lot of people, especially in other countries where taking. And I will tell you like one more thing: online, if you have a knowledge, even if you teach offline, people will be surprised with knowledge, because all over the world, as you said like correctly, people are only considering yoga as a form of exercise. See, there is nothing wrong to consider that, but then here we are not focusing on the true aspect of the whole the science.
And but meditation I have been doing very consistently, all sorts. And I think my journey was reverse, because as my age kind of is growing, and I'm with my corporate job, my health has not been very good. But for my meditation practice, what I realize is that I need to be physically fit. So I'm actually in everything I'm working reverse, because to be able to spiritually grow, what I realize is that if I don't have that that physical health. So I think what with you, I'm realizing that it is actually so nicely connected, the way asanas, pranayama, and the meditation. I think that's the beauty of this program, that I'm able to now actually have deeper meditation, because the whole it's very set very nicely, the asanas, pranayama, and then when we do meditation, it's just bringing it all together very nicely, and it's very well balanced in all these three aspects. It's very set very nicely, the asanas, pranayama, and then when we do meditation, it's just bringing it all together very nicely, and it's very well balanced in all these three aspects.
Yeah.
So because I think I've always wanted to understand, so I've been doing it on my own. I read Yoga Patanjali Sutras on my own. Everything I was trying to do everything on my own. So having a guide and guru is really, really important. And that's what I think I've found, and I think really enjoying it. And the way the explanations are, the way the whole course is structured, it's absolutely, I mean, now I'm so much more motivated. I've been not very well and stuff like that, but I think every time I come back to the class, I feel the motivation to be here again.
And thanks to you, sir, my concepts are getting clear. And I think online is the best platform. I think offline, it's a myth that yoga is offline. Offline you can teach it better. It's a myth that I'm sure about. My energy levels are amazingly good now. My health is getting better. My strength is getting better. I can hold the asanas for a long time. And the best part is that after the surgery, my body really went into, it was collapsed almost. So now it's getting there. It's getting better, and the reports are. I'm seeing the reports very normal now. In a month's time, I guess more than a month, like a month and 10 days. So I'm seeing amazing changes. Thank you so much.